How to use the CIE Chromaticity Scope in DaVinci Resolve? Let's go! Okay guys, here we go. So today we're talking about CIE Chromaticity. So if you haven't selected it already, go to your scopes and ensure that it's selected. Now this may look a little technical, but don't worry, we're going to go through this all today and by the end you'll have a good understanding of it. So here, as you can see in this image, this is the visible colour spectrum, and everything in the middle are all the colours made up from the colours around the edge. The triangle represents Rec 799, which is basically high definition, and everything outside of this, although it's in the visible colour spectrum, that's going to be clipped, as we've seen in previous videos. The white dot refers to the colour white, and everything along this line refers to the temperature, going from cold to hot. You can change your project settings at the start. If you go to File, Project Settings, you can go to Color Management and then select here your timeline and export options if you wanted to. So if I selected Rec 2020, you can see that there's a bigger triangle, but this really depends on the quality of the data that you have imported and then the changes that you're making. But trust me, just leave it on Rec 709 if you're not sure. Now go into the filter options here, the CIE Chromaticity, that shows you how visible the colours are. The Graticules shows you how visible the lines are. You can also see different colour gamuts. Now gamut is just a colour range, so don't let the word put you off. So Rec 2020 there. You can zoom in or you can turn off the numbers around the edge. Don't worry about these two options. 1931 is the original, the updated one is there, but everyone just really uses the original. And that's basically what this is in a nutshell. Now if we actually apply this to some clips, you'll see that this clip, where it hasn't had any colour management, you'll see it's definitely yellow, more towards the yellow-red side. When I've edited it here, you'll see it's going more towards the blue, so it's more over that white dot in the middle. But remember, the point is you're not supposed to line up with this white dot, because it really depends on what colours you have in your clip. So as you can see from this clip here, you've got a big green section which relates to the colour of the top, and the brown relates to the colour of the trousers. So again, you're not trying to get this over that white dot at all. It really depends on what look you're going for and what colours are already present in there. And I think that's about it for now for CIE Chromaticity. So this represents the visible colour spectrum on the outside. The triangle represents what you can see, and everything outside of this will be clipped in your editing and in your export. The dot represents white and the line represents your temperature balance. To be honest, I really don't think you'll use this. I don't use this at all. I use, like I said before, Vector Scope and some of the other ones, which I think you can get much more information from. Let me know in the comments below if there's anything else that you'd like to know, and I look forward to seeing you next time.